Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be introducing you a website to work from home with high pay salaries and rates. So let's get started. You can work from anywhere in the world as long as you apply for the jobs and you register yourself. Get the job, pass the interview. So the rest things will be okay. Let's get started. The company called www.crossover.com. I will have the link on the description. This is the company website. Let me zoom it here. Crossover.com. This is their logo. This is how their platform looks like. So this is the company that they have a lot of jobs. Actually, they recruit for different other companies that they want people to work from home. So let's see which kind of job they have. So what we do here, we will just go all see our customers all the way down. Work with crossover here. Hire great talent. Available jobs. So let's click on available jobs and see what they have. Yeah, so here you can see they have different sections and you can categorize your job search from here, or the amount you're looking for. So you can say like 10 per hour, 15, 30, 50, 100, 200, 400, or all rates. It totally depends on you how you want to search. And here, if you have specific skills and you're looking for a specific job, like let me go to the top, like engineering, finance, marketing, operations, product management, professional services, sales, support. Uh, you can totally select from here your skills and you can apply for the jobs. Let's go to some of